Hey guys, if you're standing at the grocery store, checkout line, or trying to buy something online and your Cash App card keeps getting declined, it can be very embarrassing and frustrating. So don't worry, you likely don't need to throw the card away just yet. I'm going to show you the quickest ways to troubleshoot your card and get it working again. Right, so the absolute first thing you should check is the card's lock status inside your app. It surprisingly is easy to accidentally just flip the switch without remembering it. Open the Cash App, tap on your card tab at the bottom. It looks like a rectangular debit card icon. Look below the digital preview of your card for an option labeled Lock Card. So if that toggle switch is turned on, your physical card is just simply frozen. So just tap it to flip it back to unlocked. While you are on this dashboard as well, look at closely into your cash balance. Remember, your card draws directly from your in-app cash balance, not your bank account. If your app balance is short, even by a single penny, the store machine will instantly reject the payment. If your card is unlocked and you have plenty of cash, the platform's automated fraud filters charge for your safety. Head back to the main home screen, tap on the clock icon, and then go to Activity. Find specific transaction that just failed, tap on it. And Cash App is really good about telling you exactly why a payment dropped. If it was blocked for security, you will have something like "Do you recognize this transaction?" and just tap yes to confirm. If this is a brand new card you just got in the mail, make sure you actually went through the initial activation steps. Go to your card tab, tap Activate Cash Card, and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code that came in the envelope. That's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully this will help you out. If that doesn't help, you can also, as you can see, is set on this tutorial. You can just find your app and just delete the app and reinstall it, or clear the cache for it. Enjoy the guide, and don't forget to subscribe.